Tech that you need. This is the Aspen 40 portable fridge by BougeRV that can be powered no matter where you are, as it supports AC and external power. It has 2 compartments that you can flip between, being a fridge or freezer, and you can fine-tune your desired temperatures with these buttons. With a short press of these 2 buttons, you can enter ice drive mode. This will rapidly cool one side to -18 Fahrenheit in under 30 minutes, while the other side acts as a fridge. It's perfect for storing ice or ice cream, which can be enjoyed without melting in places you wouldn't be able to have it usually, like camping or on the beach. At night, the LED lights make it easy to see what's inside. The external battery can last up to 8 hours with eco mode, but beyond that is no problem, as it can be charged with solar panels or plugged into a power station, meaning you can keep it going your whole adventure.